how to manage your star image gallery thumbnails on Ecwid easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click click design and scroll down until you find here we'll find it, image gallery thumbnails, and now select anything you want here, and that's it. Now then just go back, it will be saved. You don't have to click save or something like that. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.